Good afternoon. This video documentation is to show a couple things primarily here on our W204 headlight. Again, with this headlight, we're looking at the exact same setup as what you have currently, a W204 facelift projected by xenon headlight with the LED upgrade for the low beam, as you can see right there, with the heat ribbon sticking out. So a couple of things we're going to touch on here are going to be the actually the adjustment knobs for this headlight. And so there's actually going to be two on this headlight. The first of which is going to be located on this side over here. I'm going to show you just a bit right there. And it'll be just this one right here. So this will be located kind of next to the top mount screw for the headlight. And this is going to control the left and right adjustment right here. So that, again, that'll be left and right adjustment. If you're looking for up and down adjustment, which it looks like it might be from your concern, it's actually going to be this adjustment knob right here. Let me get that focus for you. And on the headlight itself, it's actually going to be marked with a UD. So if you turn it clockwise, it's going to make it go up. If you turn it counterclockwise, it's going to make it go down. And so this will be the one we're mostly going to be concerned with right now. Now for this, there's a couple ways to adjust this. You can use either a small flathead screwdriver, kind of stick it in there, or if you got a hex bit that's about the same size, you can also use that as well. Pretty much the idea is just to insert right there and turn it to the desired level. So right here, I have my small flathead, and this is on our end what we would use. Pretty much just stick it in there and rotate the adjuster, clockwise for up, counterclockwise for down. And that's going to adjust the beam to the level that you want to set it to. Now, if that does not kind of resolve the issue and kind of get the beams kind of showing the same, I guess, brightness when you're looking at it head on, the next thing we're also going to want to address here will be the bulb position itself. So the bulb position is going to be located in the back right here, obviously. And here's the low beam rear housing cap. Now, to access that, it's just grab on these two tabs right here. So you're gonna have a tab kind of running the length of it. Just kind of firmly grab it and twist it counterclockwise. That'll release the tabs on the inside and allow you to pull back the low beam cap right here. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you just a bit. These heat ribbons right here, they are gonna make pulling this out. It'll give a little bit of resistance just because these things kind of push through this little rubber grommet right here. So that will be normal, but you will be able to pull this back. And what you go ahead and do to remove this will be to grab the base of the bulb and twist. And this will be just a bit hard here since I'm holding the camera, so I'll go ahead and kind of show you what I mean. So I'm twisting counterclockwise, which releases the bulb. And so this bulb is held in place really with just these two little tabs right here. Let me go ahead and focus that for you. Sorry about that. And so as you can see, there's a small tab right here at the bottom. And this tab is really what locks the bulb in place. Small tab right here. Because these tabs insert into this small little bracket right here that holds the bulb in place on the projector assembly. And so there you go. So those tabs line up into these two small tabs right there. You just pretty much insert them into here and then turn the bulb clockwise to lock, counterclockwise to unlock. Now, as long as this little retaining ring right here is in place, the bulb will be in a good position, so you won't really have to worry about anything in terms of the bulb being out of place or anything like that. If you do happen to see this, not locked in place like it is right here, then that will be an issue, and you pretty much just need to, twist this and adjust it right there. Now, this one's pretty held in place and it's in good position. If in the case that you do need to adjust yours, you may need to slightly loosen up these two screws right here just to give it enough play to be able to turn clockwise and pull out. But again, that should most likely not be the issue. Again, the main focus will be right here on the up and down vertical adjustment for the headlight. So this concludes the documentation for this. This should cover all the points of anything that would cause the beam to go in a pattern or a level that it's not supposed to. Thank you very much.